Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I am your host, Amir Rashid, and on today's episode, I would like to do Learning Easy. Let's get started.
Carlos Counts Kittens. Written by Lorena F. DiBello. Illustrated by Angela Kamstra Jacobson. Carlos has one kitten. Carlos has two kittens. Carlos has three kittens. Carlos has four kittens. Carlos has five kittens. Carlos has six kittens. Carlos has seven kittens. Carlos has too many kittens.
Carlos have too many kittens. Question mark. If down turns red, that means it's good.
He feels sad. He feels happy. He feels happy. He feels sad. He feels happy. He feels sad.
It's over there. Wait a minute.